Let me tell you this, people of God. Let's be frank. If you want to go deeper in God, deeper in your consecration, there's no way you will not reduce your exposure to TV, your exposure to social media. There's no way. The distraction in our generation is so much. I remember the other day, I was on YouTube and a sponsored ad came up. It was about a game. And this game, I saw a snippet of it and I kind of liked it, so I installed it. People of God, I didn't know when this game trapped me. I played and played and played. Then I would say to myself, I will stop after the next one. Then I played the next one. Then I said, I will stop. How many of you know what I mean? Then I said, I will stop after the next one. Then the first day, the second day, and I will stay till late to be playing this game. Then the third day. Then my experience of secondary school days began to return. And I used to be a very good chess player. And when I was in secondary school, I played to the point when I started having dreams about moves. That was when I knew that this thing don't serious, eh? I've not passed my exams. I'm dreaming chess. So I started thinking about this game. And I'm not talking about when I was a young believer. I'm talking about as a pastor. Do you get what I mean? And then one day, the voice of the Lord came to me. I can't remember exactly how he said it, but you know, in my own language, it sounded something like, are you playing games with me now? And I was like, Lord, I didn't even know when I installed this thing. And then it was like, so what are you going to do about this? And when the Lord begins to ask you questions, be careful how you answer. Don't be answering too quickly. He's not asking because he doesn't know. I said, Wale, I can't control this thing. The only way to be free from this thing is to get rid of it. So before I changed my mind, I clicked uninstall. Uninstall. And since then I've been free. And be careful what you see so that your life does not look like a game.